Row 18, plot 20.
Hey everybody, welcome to Now It's Dark on Jim. Today we're doing a toy capsule unboxing. This is the NECA Universal Studios 9 capsule assortment that I picked up from Walmart. Looks like a couple of them are already opened in there, but we'll do the best we can. These are NECA. This is a 3rd edition, so I know I've picked up one before. I believe that might have been the 2nd edition. So let's give the package a little snip. Alright, so we're going to do a little thing. First capsule is looks like a really beat up sticker. I don't know if you can see, like, there's some damage to the sticker. It's the Wolfman. Not a good start. I don't really like that one, to be honest. Alright, this is a magnet of the Mummy. Let's see, here's the next one. Ooh. This is the eraser. Nice Frankenstein. This one is open, so let's see. This is the, I guess I'm calling these a luggage tag. Looks like it's Bella Lugosi Dracula. Like it's supposed to be Bella. Not really sure. If that's a very good representation. Oh, this one is open as well. This is the wristband. If you do it this way, it says Alucard. Alucard. Alright, here we go. Looks like we got some shoelaces. Oh, cool, the Wolfman. I like those. I have a pair of black and white Converse, but those might look good on. Just a few left. Here we go. Alright, this is a keychain. I have to open this one so you can get a good look at it, because the metal ring is right in the way. I don't know why it's so difficult for me to keep an eye on where my camera actually is. Frankenstein for president. Alright, 2 left. Here we go. Oh, this is a pin. Nice Bride of Frankenstein pin. I like that a lot. I do have a pin board, so that's cool. And last one for the Universal 3rd edition NECA toy capsules from Walmart is a creature from the Black Lagoon patch. I may have to start a denim jacket patch thing. So here is everything. Alright, so that's going to do it for the Universal Studios Monsters 3rd edition NECA. Just got distracted by that bad light. Capsules, toy capsules. So let me know in the comments down below what you thought. If you would pick these up, do you think this is worth the $9.96 that Walmart is charging for these? I don't know if they're available at Target or not. I'm not sure if they're exclusive to Walmart, but that's where I got them. They had a huge selection of tons of different properties. So thanks very much. Have a great day.
So happy our dream. Go on and sing your song. There's nothing wrong Just think of me